Hello, myself Ebad. I'm a student of CADD Mentor Bareilly and currently I'm doing my bachelor's, and with it I'm pursuing my expert course in interior and architecture from CADD Mentor Bareilly, Rampo Garden only. So in my course there are 6 softwares, which includes AutoCAD, which is a basic software that you have to learn in each and every designing course. And the second software is Revit architecture, which is usually done for the detailing projects. It is a BIM software, so I'm pursuing it also. And the next is SketchUp, which is used in the designing in exterior and interior both. And the last one, and which is the most common and useful software, that is 3ds Max, which currently I'm learning it from CADD Mentor only. And here the guidance is very good. I have learned under the guidance of Mr. Amrish Gupta, which is who is a mentor here and also a manager director. So here I have done some projects, like I will show you. It is a basic plan that I have created with my AutoCAD journey. Like, it is a basic plan of a home which I have created firstly initial when I have joined in April. And I'll show you my Revit project also. I have designed some exterior. It is a night render. I have rendered in Revit only. Revit. So it is an elevation of a home that I have designed the layout. It is the same house. So the next software is SketchUp. So I'll show you. I have made this villa in Revit architecture. You can see. And the next one is this. I made in Revit and rendered in Enscape. So it is a design of a lobby. The next one is this bedroom. I've designed in SketchUp and rendered in V-Ray. You can see how good it is looking. So you can learn from here, like if you are pursuing any of the degree. So you have to enhance your skills also. So basically I suggest you to visit the center, like in whatever field you are doing the courses, you can learn the skills that will matter most. So it will enhance the job guarantee also, and you can do the courses here. The variety of courses are meant here, like graphic designing, web development, and interior architecture, basically civil, mechanical, electrical. Whatever field you belong, you can do and enhance your skills here. So basically I'm doing it, and currently 3ds Max is going on. So, and also I'm doing work from home here while learning. So I'm also earning through these softwares. So I suggest you to visit this center. I have experienced a lot of things here. The mentorship, the guidance, the experience, it matters the most when you sit with people like who matters the skills, who enhance your skills, who enhance your speaking qualities and all. So I suggest you to visit the CADD Mentor and enhance the skills in with whatever field you are. So these are the overview of my projects. So I'll suggest you to pursue your skills and try to visit, try to connect with them. So I'm learning it and I'm feeling very great here. So I'm very sure that I'll get my career in this field. So thank you for guiding me, thank you for supporting, thank you for giving these skills. So like I'm enjoying it, and basically I will do better and great in this field. Thank you.